Sometimes one step changes your life. Sometimes one step opens gates to the future. This step can be through the gates of Ronaki International School, Erbil. RISE, which adopts quality education as a principle with its international accreditation. On the path from primary school to university, RISE provides quality education in international standards, which is achieved through American curriculum and SAT preparation. In its girls and boys sections, RISE ensures high standards of English studies with its internationally experienced teaching staff, including native speakers, with various extracurricular activities designed to help students explore their potential. RISE prepares the young generation for a safe and bright future. RISE opens its gates for you to see its difference and advantages. Raise standards with RISE. Address: Future City Villas, Massif Road, Erbil. Phone: 0751 810 2011.